You can drop it. You can drop it on the floor. More open it. You're on a tea.
Go, Derek, go.
Oh.
What is that?
That's our money.
Oh, there's Uncle Travis texting me.
Open it, Derek. Let's see what it does. I'll show you.
Yeah, show him, bud.
See what it does. If you push this button, push
What
it.
is that, buddy?
It dances. Where's mine? My turn. My turn. Where's my mama? Give mine.
Oh, how cool is that?
You just push it again. Push the button.
He's not sure of that.
Push it.
What do you think, Derek? You like it?
Present.
Hold on, honey. Can you tell Uncle Travis and Aunt Jennifer thank you? Derek, look. Can you say thank you? Good boy. I think he's kind of embarrassed by it.
Give me mine. Give me mine.
Look at this little munchkin here. Addison, what you doing? What you doing? Okay.